Hello, my scavengerists. Check it out. I've been busy. I've been really busy. Okay. So I made some new bottle toppers because I know you guys love these things. So I made some new ones and I want to show you what I've got. Okay. So the first ones I did, I've never done these before, but I did them this time. They're little teeny skulls. They're so cute. And this one has a little black diamond on it. And this one has some vampire teeth. This one has a little moon right there. And this guy has a tiny little moon and a star. And then this one has a nice moon on it and a little eye. So I made those. And then another one that I've never done before, but I wanted to try it, were these here. These are porcelain beads. And I got a couple of unicorns, and I got this one here, which I call my lucky rainbow. So I did this one in rainbow crystals, and it's got a little 4-leaf clover. And then I've got a couple of these unicorn ones. This one is all purple with a music note, and this one is all rainbow colored with a little cupcake on him. And then, of course, I did another owl. This one's just a light baby pink owl with a leaf on it. And we did this one here, which kind of looks like a piece of pink turquoise. It has a little Celtic heart here and a silver heart there. And then, of course, we did a silver filigree. This one has like an Art Deco fairy on it. It's all black and red, and it's got a little lampwork bead right here. And then I did some lampwork stuff. Now, we've seen this bead before. This is the milky white one that has the little pink roses on it. And this one has a little tag on it that says dream. And this one has a little fairy on it that I call the green fairy. So I put a little green bead on that one. And then this one is beautiful. It's like a blue color, and it has the gold running through it, double roses, and a little silver butterfly on this one, and some Tibetan silver charms here. And this one is a little green bead with little like white flowers on it and a little leaf. And then this one is a little blue heart with a pink rose on it. It says hope. So I really like that one. And as always, these come with an extra pin, and you can take the dangle part off and pull the whole thing down the pin and replace the pin and put the rubber stopper back on it, because these are removable and replaceable, and they all come with the extra pin. And as an added bonus, if you buy one of these from me, as always, I will put your initial on it for you, okay? Just my way of saying thanks. Now, I did do something else that I put in the shop. I've never done these before, but I wanted to try them. So, these are Pokey tools. And this one is the same blue bead with the pink rose on it in the hand here. Beautiful dangle. And the dangles are removable. And this one is all pink crackle with a hand, and there's a little crystal inside of it. And then this one is like a gunmetal kitty cat on this pink one here. Now, these start out as 6-inch long hat pins. They have the stopper on the end so that they protect your fingers. That comes right off. But for shipping purposes, I wanted to leave it on. And when I curl them down, they come to about 5.5 inches, and there's between 2.5 and 3 inches worth of beadwork on each one. And the top is removable, but here's the thing. The way that these are built, they're actually, each bead is glued on. So I can't take the beads off and replace the posts on these, but you can take the dangle off and use it on something else if you want. You can just clip it onto a journal or your book, or you can put it on your keys or whatever you want. So the dangles do come off, so they are reusable, but the pins themselves, unfortunately, they're not. These are pretty flexible. They don't bend very easily. They're just very flexible. So I use this for my own personal Pokey tool. So I put these in the shop. I just made these 3. I want to see if you guys have any interest in them. So they are available in my Etsy shop on Etsy. That's Bima's Crafty Corner on Etsy. So that's what I have for you guys. New in the shop. They are currently listed, so they do go pretty quick. Go on in there and check them out. Normally I would put them in a sale, but that gets so confusing when we're in the middle of the sale and I'm trying to get these out. So, all right. Do me a favor, guys. If you haven't done so already, hit the red button and subscribe. Then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I've got all this crafty, yummy goodness. Till the next time, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.